Fully managed Postgres hosting at ScaleGrid allows you to easily enable and manage PgBouncer connection pooling for your Postgres deployment. PgBouncer can be enabled in the cluster creation process or from the Overview tab of your Postgres cluster details page. Click on the PgBouncer button and select Enable PgBouncer. If you're enabling after your deployment has been created, make sure to grab your new connection string from the Overview tab, as all of your existing connections will be dropped. Select Session, Transaction, or Statement as your pooling mode, then enter your pool size and click Enable. The ScaleGrid platform will then handle all the necessary PgBouncer maintenance, backend configurations, upgrades, and security patches to keep the connection pooler optimized for your deployment. When PgBouncer is enabled, you can also customize your PgBouncer connection pooler settings. Click on the PgBouncer button on your cluster details page and select Change Settings. Here, you can customize your pooling mode, pool size, max client connections, max database connections, and max user connections. Review your entries and click Update. You can also disable PgBouncer from the PgBouncer dropdown. This will update your connection string, so if you choose to disable here, make sure you update your connection string as all existing connections will be dropped. As always, if you have any questions, please email us at support@scalegrid.io.